Hello traders, how are you? I think you are doing so very much well. Here today I will show you my Euro USD chart analysis. This is a pure price action so that you can compare with your views to mine. Here you can find that for several days I am showing you the daily chart. For several days Euro and USD is going to sideways. It starts from here uptrend, then it is going to sideways, then it is now running to do something. So we will analyze what is going to be done. Okay, you can see that the chart is trying to move upward in this section and gathering some buy pressure, but in this section it is now going to sideways. It is now retesting, and then it will make decision either it will go up or down. I am now showing you what is the price behavior. He is doing that. I am making zoom out. You can see, oh yes, you can find it is going to upward, but I will make some support and resistance point that so that I can understand that in which direction and how much direction it will go, it will continue is going. So in this situation I will make some support and resistance point in my daily chart. Okay, I'm zoom in. Yes, I will find this area. Yes, I found this area. Okay, you can find it. This is a very strong support level. Another very strong support level is there, but you should consider that it is also a support point and it is also a resistance point. This is weak area, this is strong area. First of all, we should make a shape for the very strong area. Zoom out. We will draw. Okay, we will draw. We will draw some shape, rectangular shape. You can find this zone. I already changed the color. Yes, we will also make another support and resistance area also. Yes, enter support and resistance area. Here we can see that in this zone, this is a strong support and resistance point. Our EURUSD chart is trying to go with this area. It's trying to go with this area. Hourly chart to another analysis, to make another analysis. Zoom in. Okay, hourly chart. Okay, in the same process we'll make another support and resistance point. here we will find this is a strong support point. Okay, another strong support point is here. Okay, and okay, so we will find another support point. It may be in this region. Okay, so we'll make a shadow to identify the zone. Yes, insert shape. I'm trying to make the strong support point. Here it is. I will change the color. Yes, another color, this one, it may be better. So I will insert another shape, this one. Okay, in hourly chart we find the support and resistance zone. This is a strong support resistance zone, and this is our average support and resistance zone here. And in this chart we can see that the price is trying to up, it is going to sideways, and now it gains the buying power in from this region, because there is a support resistance point before, and from this point he is trying to go upward. Okay, so you can see that from here to here, yes, it goes upward, and it is trying to retrace, but it is not going more than 50% of this upward direction. So I think there is buying pressure also, because from this region buyer is trying to generate another buying cycle. Okay, if we zoom in, so we can see the clear picture. Yes, okay, here you can see that the chart is price is going to upward. In this situation it goes from here to here, a big uptrend, then it is trying to retrace, but it retraces not so much way, and then it is going to zigzag pattern. So here we can see that the seller are trying, but they fail. So as a whole, longer time frame, you can see that it is going to upward trend from here to this way. I already removed all the trade lines, so you can see the chart is going to go is trying to go to their next support and resistance zone, that is in this site, in this region. Okay, so now the question is, what we'll do for the next few days? You can see that from here it is going to upward direction, and it is now retracing and going to sideways from this area, and what may happen, it is now downtrend. It may go from here to here and retrace the support area from this side, and it will again go to this section, this area. This is one from this 1.22 area, and it may go again here and go there. From there, that is 1.24, and it may also go to 1.249. And you can also find that it may do another way. If the chart is inverse, it will go straight from this side to this side. I am changing another color. Okay, I am giving it red because I am thinking so. It will go from directly from this side to this area. There is 1.2237, and it may retrace this zone. This is 1.2156, and this will get another buying force, and it will go straight to this zone. Straight to this zone, there is 1.24256 or 1.2499. So we can get the two results. It may retrace again from his previous support zone, and it will go upward for another few days upcoming, or it will go straight from this side to this way. So we can check what we'll do. If we I am now removing all my area so that we can find a clear view. Okay, dear trader, I already removed all my support and resistance zone area, so you can get a clear picture of this movement. Here the price is now going to this area, is staying this area, and it may go directly to the upward, and I am expecting so that, and it may also go to his previous support point, and it will go to the upward. I am thinking so that, and you can see that if you make a decision to buy side, it will you may give the stop loss 67 pips, and you can first target of profit is 122 pips, then it will go 297 pips, and it may maximum go to this area 355 pips. I think this is the final zone. Yes, in this side, this is the final zone, and we will see what the candlestick behaves, and it may go for this area, or it will retrace from here. This is the maximum peak point, and seller will try to make the profit from this area, and it will go, and it will go this stage, then it will go this stage, and then it will go this stage, and then it may go also in this stage. So time will say what will we do, and what will we do. Dear traders, thanks for watching my video. I just share my opinion only, not to suggest to take any trade decision. I cordially request you to share your opinion and make comments for me in comments section. Please put like, comments, share, and subscribe my channel.